So it can be if the patient is having atrial fibrillation or it is sensing something on the atrial activity which is not to be transmitted to the ventricle, it will automatically start changing the mode, and it has got an algorithm on which it detects, and later on it will change the mode. And this mode is essential because we don't want that when the patient is having atrial fibrillation or the heart rate at the atrial level is around 200, 250 to reach to the ventricle level. So how the device detects and how it change the mode. For this, I invite the algorithm what Biotronics device reads and how it device to identify as well as change the mode. So over to Thrumalaya.
So good morning, everyone. Thanks, sir, for the opportunity to present our algorithm on mode switch. So as everyone knows, AMS is available in all the pacemakers when it is dual chamber pacemaker and dual chamber ICDs and even CRTDs. So this algorithm initially was introduced somewhere in 1990s. So before that, the algorithm was not there, and patient used to feel that palpitation kind of a thing when the atrial rate goes really high, when the patient is having AF or atrial tachycardias. So then initially it was like so there was no mode to get switched on, and it was tracking whatever is possible means till it comes into the branching period. So then in 1990, yes.
Regarding, they will not be knowing the tracking. Tracking means what happens when whatever the things is happening at the atrial level, like a sinus node, when the sinus node is 80 beats, the ventricular rate is also 80 beats. That is called tracking. The same thing will be going to the AV mode. Here the pacemaker, when we use the word for the same function, we call it tracking. Means when the atrial rate is 70 or 80, the ventricular rate will be same 70 or 80. This is called tracking. So tracking is a very common word when we will be using the pacemaker or ICD or CRT. It means the atrial rate is going to be in the ventricle. That is called tracking.
Yeah, thanks for that. So as you are all aware, like any ventricular rate which goes beyond 100, we generally want pacemakers to track like 160s, 170s, and when it to AF, it will be 200, 200 plus. So we don't want a ventricle to get tracked at that high rates where the patient will have like palpitation feeling, and he will also not have proper ejection fraction. So that's where this auto mode switch plays a very crucial role. So that is why